Hello, and thank you for giving Fred Martin Nissan the opportunity to earn your business. You recently expressed interest in a Nissan Rogue with us. I just wanted to shoot you over a quick video of one that we had in stock so you can see it for yourself. If you have any questions, you can call or text Ashley directly at 330-714-7621. She can answer any of the questions that you have. The Nissan Rogue is such a great vehicle, standard with a 2.5 liter fuel economical 4-cylinder, and optionally in 3 different trim levels with front or all-wheel drive available. We include 3 years of free oil changes, as well as 3 years of free roadside assistance. The Rogue is standard with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as great safety features like automatic emergency braking, blind spot warning, forward collision warning, so much more. We're excited for you to stop out and take one for a spin. We're located at 3388 South Arlington Road here in Akron, across the street from Lowe's and the Splash Car Wash. Again, that's 3388 South Arlington Road, just off of I-77 here in Greene. We do have late night and weekend hours available. These were designed for your convenience. So don't hesitate, pick up the phone, give us a call, and let's set up a good time for you to stop by for a spin. 330-644-8888. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We're looking forward to helping you make an informed car buying decision here at Fred Martin Nissan. Take care.